It is my honor to introduce our Troop Information and Education speaker for today, a distinguished officer of the Bureau of Fire Protection whose career reflects steadfast dedication, exemplary leadership, and a strong commitment to public service and emergency medical care. He has served the Bureau in various key capacities, including as Officer in Charge, Emergency Medical Services, Municipal Fire Marshal, Salay Fire Station, Station Commander of Pugon Fire Station, City Fire Marshal of Tangub City Fire Station, Acting Provincial Fire Marshal of Camiguin. His leadership journey further includes his designation as Chief Operations Division and Concurrent Chief SRF, demonstrating the trust and confidence reposed in him by the organization across different levels of command and responsibility. Beyond his extensive operational and administrative experience, our speaker is equally grounded in strong academic preparation. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing from Liceo de Cagayan University, earned in 1994, which laid the foundation for his expertise in emergency medical services and public health. He further strengthened his leadership and governance competencies by completing a Master of Public Administration in 2017, equipping him with advanced knowledge in public sector management and policy implementation. With his wealth of experience in emergency response, personnel management, and public education, we are confident that his insights will be both informative and inspiring. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our Troop Information and Education speaker, Fire Chief Inspector Willie M. Tan Jr.
Totally Commander, please give tikas mahinga to you.
Tikas! Mahinga!
It is my honor to be one of your speakers every Monday communication. To our General Director, Chief Superintendent, Organizing Treasurer, to our Assistant General Director for Administration, Senior Superintendent Alan Incabo, sir. To our Assistant Director for Operation, Senior Superintendent Rex Clifford Salbaño, sir. To Division Chiefs, Senior Commission Officers, Junior Commission Officers, Non-Commission Officers, uniform personnel, good morning to all. Last January 15, 34 personnel of this region proceed to Bohol just in order to complement the national and international event held at Bohol. These 34 personnel composed of 30 hazmat CBRN response team to complement the emergency and response and preparedness of this event. So what is this event? This is the ASEAN Summit 2026. So before this ASEAN Summit 2026 is composed of 11 states. So, what is this ASEAN stands for? Anyone? Kinsay put pasabot sa ASEAN. Banan ako pamahawin niya. So, ASEAN stands for Association of Southeast Asian Nations. So, why this ASEAN was organized? So in 1967, 5 states was formed or organized or nag-meeting. Why? It's aim. This is to stop the decolonization of other countries, especially communism. Another objective It is to harmonize political, economical, and maritime security among the states. And who are these states? It started with 5 ASEAN states. One is Thailand, Singapore, the Philippines, and Vietnam. Sinsa na sa akong bana. Okay. So, today, from 5 states, it goes into 11 states. Then the new state member of this ASEAN 2026 was Timor-Leste. And the 2026 ASEAN Summit was held at Bohol, has a distinct logo. So this is the logo of the ASEAN 2026. It has 4 distinct symbols. The first symbol is the wave. The wave signifies maritime security and cooperation that physically connect all the ASEAN states. Next is the rice stalk, the yellow one. It symbolizes the nourishment and food security of the ASEAN nations. The commitment to food security. Next is the top of the rice stalk. The grains represents the 11 states of the ASEAN nation, which is the Timor-Leste is the newest member of the ASEAN. So what are these 11 states? Brunei, Indonesia, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, and the last one is the newest members of Timor-Leste. Wave pattern embodies the strength found in interconnection. It reflects together the cultures, the values, inspiration, and the distinct traits bound shared purpose, forming a vibrant tapestry and a collection of progress. So, the symbol or the logo of the ASEAN nation is shaped as a balangay, a colonial, pre-colonial boat or a vessel that is inspired by traditional Filipino boat called the balangay. This is the essence and unique character moving forward together aboard a single vessel. This balangay represents the Filipino or the Filipino as barangay or the smallest unit of government of the Philippines. With the theme of the ASEAN 2026 is together navigating our future together with peace, prosperity, and people empowerment. That would be all. Good morning and thank you.
Thank you for that informative message, sir. At this juncture, may we call in our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir, to give the certificate of appreciation to our speaker, to be assisted by our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Excluber Salvania, sir. Citation read, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10, Regional Order Number R10-RAWB-2026-006, Medalya ng Papuri pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection 10 Program on Awards and Incentive for Service Excellence. This Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Chief Inspector Willie M. Tan Jr., Acting Chief Operations Division, Concurrent Chief Special Rescue Force, BFP 10. For his insightful contribution and commendable performance as a truth, information, and education speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on February 9, 2026 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others contributing to the achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 9th day of February 2026 at the Regional Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gomamela Extension, Carmen Cagayan de Oro City, signed Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.